Hi, I'm Daniel, and today I'll show you how to install the TECEsolid 12-volt battery version. For the battery version, we attach the battery compartment to the armored hose of the fill valve. Now we take our splash guard, thread the cable through the splash guard and hang it back up using the levers into the flush valve in the cistern.
Okay, let's go.
Next, we take the mounting frame and the easy fit screws and insert them through the designated holes. And then we attach them to the splash guard all the way to the back and thread the cables through the mounting frame. Then the screws can be tightened. Finally, we take the actuator plate, connect the plug for the power supply and the release motor, and clip the actuator plate into the frame. On the back of the actuator plate, there is a small emergency battery that takes over the power supply in case of a power outage. And if you have any questions, just send us an email, write us a WhatsApp message, or give us a call.